Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, we prepare for the highly anticipated devices. The new iPad Pro and iPad Air models have generated a lot of excitement in the tech community. And with the rumored features and improvements, it's no wonder that people are eager to get their hands on them. The delay in the launch of these devices is understandable, given the challenges Apple is facing in finalizing the software updates and manufacturing the OLED panels for the iPad Pros. These technical obstacles can sometimes arise in the process, but it's reassuring to know that Apple is working diligently to provide the best possible product for its customers. The Bloomberg report from January mentioned a major iPad Pro revamp for this year, which has only added to the anticipation. The inclusion of Apple's powerful M3 chip, OLED panels, and a new design with a landscape FaceTime camera make these upcoming iPad Pros incredibly appealing. Furthermore, analyst Ming-Chi's speculation about a larger 12.9-inch iPad Air alongside the standard 10.9-inch model in the 2024 iPad lineup refresh has also caught the attention and imagination of Apple enthusiasts. So the date potentially aligning with WWDC, there is now speculation that Apple might choose to unveil the new iPads during the event. Apple has a history of using WWDC as a platform to introduce exciting new products, so this possibility adds an extra level of excitement to the situation. The delay may disappoint some eager fans who are hoping to have the new iPad Pro and iPad Air in their hands sooner. It does have its benefits. It gives us more time to save up and prepare for the purchase, ensuring that we can fully enjoy the new features and advancements that these devices will offer. The shift in the launch timeline for the new iPad Pro and iPad Air models to early May, as reported by Mark Gurman of Bloomberg, brings both excitement and anticipation. The technical challenges faced by Apple and the possibility of unveiling the devices at WWDC add an extra layer of intrigue. Ultimately, this delayed launch gives us more time to save up and eagerly await the highly anticipated new iPads. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.